Welcome! In front of me I have Poco Watch and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the iPhone. First thing you will need to do is to turn on your watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the side button until you see the Poco logo on the screen. And after you see the logo, you can release the button and wait until the watch turns on. And after the watch turns on, you will see the list of languages on the screen. You can scroll through this list by swiping up and down, select the language you would like to use on your watch, and then tap on the check mark to confirm. And now you should see the QR code. Basically, you can use it to download the application. I'm just gonna download the application from the App Store, but if you want to, you can use the QR code. So to download the application, we need to have the internet access and Bluetooth enabled on our iPhone. And once we do, we can open the App Store. In the App Store, we can tap on the search icon, then tap on the search bar and type in Mi Fitness. And tap on search. And you should see this application on the list. Mi Fitness, formerly known as Xiaomi Wear Lite. Tap on it. Tap on the Get button to download and install it. Okay, and once the application is done installing, you can tap on the Open button to open it. In the app, you should see the main page. As you can see, we have also a pop-up about the Bluetooth permission. This one is required, so tap on Allow, then tap on Start. Check the first box and tap on Agree. Select the region by tapping right here. Find the region you want to use and tap on it to select it. Oh, my bad. Let's go back to the app and select the region, for example, United Kingdom, and tap on Next. And now you should see the health page in the app. Once you see it, tap on device icon. And here we can tap on Add device. If you're being asked to log in, tap on OK. And log in into Xiaomi account. If you don't have an account, you can tap on Create Account button right here. I already have one, so I'm gonna log in into mine. Give me a couple seconds. And then we can tap on Sign In. Oh, we need to agree to the terms of use. Then we can tap on Sign In. And after you log in, the app will go back to the search for the devices. As you can see, the watch started spamming me for no reason. So let's skip that. Okay, if you see the permission, or rather pop-up about the permission for the notifications, this one is not required, but if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch, you need to allow it. And next we have the location permission. It also is not required, but it's if you want to use some features like weather and stuff like that, basically anything that requires location, you will need to allow it. Then we have the turn on the sync. So if you want to sync your data on all of your devices, you can tap on OK. And finally, you should see the Add device page again. You can tap on search again. It should start searching for the nearby devices, and it should detect your Poco Watch. If maybe we need to tap on this arrow right here. It should be working. For some reason it doesn't detect it. Let's tap on add. Oh, now it does. Okay, so we went back to the device page, tap on Add device. It detected our watch. We can tap on it. Tap on Pair. Tap on the check mark on the watch. Allow or deny the permission for the notifications. Tap on OK, tap on the check mark. And once you see the done, you can tap on the done button, start on your watch, and you can go through the tutorial how to use the device. And at this point, you should see the device page, and on it there should be your Poco Watch, which means that the devices are paired together. And that's how you pair this watch with the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.